Hello everyone, it's Raifa. Today we are going to learn how to draw yummy ice cream. Let's draw with me.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
Brown color.
Sticks and stones will all fall down.
Red color.
All fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up
Pink
with
color.
wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood
Purple
and clay,
color.
my fair lady.
Red color.